Okay, so as you can see, I've activated this pulse, so it's active, and this is just what the teacher screen would look like. So I'm just going to go ahead on my phone and submit a few responses. And then let's just do one again. Alright, so there you go. You can see as I clicked response each time, the percentages went up, the number of votes, I guess, that this choice and this choice got. So that's the first one. Now we're going to look at this one. I just have to see what the hashtag thing is. So Ashley Lay 186. I joined. I'm just going to respond a few times. And then we'll do one more just for good measure. Perfect. So now if I exit this, we should have, it'll show that each responds right there. Awesome.